Hello, I'm Alan Coxon and I've come to Slovenia. I'm standing in a wonderful store, Mercator, and I've come here to actually judge a challenge that has been set out. It's about making the best sandwich using British ingredients, of course. And as I look around the Mercator store here, what a fantastic job they've done. It is sensational. No, it is great.
I supported this project for great funding and great branding because it's such a great opportunity with very wide reach. The marketing material that's produced is going to thousands and thousands of households, and particularly at this point in time it presents a very upbeat and positive view of the UK, of our culinary culture, but of British culture more widely.
So the British Month was organized in April and May by the British Slovenian Chamber of Commerce to promote Her Majesty's birthday, the royal wedding and the third royal baby in between. We chose the most premium hypermarket in Slovenia, Mercator Šiška, which was our partner, and started working with them on pushing British export, which is the main aim of this activity.
Mercator is very proud to start International Days with the United Kingdom. British Month, it's a great opportunity to promote great British products here in our hypermarket Šiška, which is our flagship store.
We worked really hard on the selection process by posting 10 export opportunities on the Exporting is Great platform and received over 600 responses from British companies, which we forwarded then to the Mercator's purchasing department, which made the final decision which products will end up on their shelves.